Welcome to our channel. How to fix yellow light on Verizon router. A yellow light on a Verizon router usually indicates no internet connection or a weak, no signal from the network. Let's see the solutions for its fixes. Solution 1. Check the ISP for service outage. If your internet service provider is down for maintenance or experiencing other issues, a yellow light will appear on the Verizon router. To check for this, you can visit the ISP's official site through your browser to see their announcement. Solution 2. Restart Verizon router. Unplug the power cable from the router. Wait 30 seconds. Plug it back in and wait about 2 to 5 minutes for it to reboot. Solution 3. Check if your router is overheating. If your router is overheating, you may also encounter a Verizon router yellow light. To fix this, you can try turning off the router's power, including any backup battery, inverter, etc. Wait for it to cool down. You can also place your router in an area with sufficient airflow to prevent it from heating up again. Solution 4. Check for the cables. If your cables are damaged, loose, or connected to the incorrect port, you may experience an internet connection problem. For these reasons, you'd better check all your cables in these ways. Check if all the cables are connected to the right ports. Examine the port for any loose cables. Check if there is any damage to your cables. After checking, if you find that your cables are connected to the wrong ports or are loose from the ports, you can fix them yourself. Solution 5. Update the firmware. Updating the firmware of the Verizon router can help you fix many issues. The Verizon router's firmware usually comes out once every 2 months or so. If your Verizon has never updated the firmware, you can have a try. Solution 6. Contact Verizon support. If the yellow light persists, contact Verizon tech support at 1-800-915-5645.